Hi, I'm Quinn. Welcome back to CSD Baking. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a nice bacon and eggs breakfast. Now, for today's recipe, you're going to need as much bacon as you like and as many eggs as you like. You also need a pan, which is warming up back there. Put your bacon into your pan. Now, for the bacon, make sure it's at a medium-low temperature. Make sure you've greased your pan and set it to a medium-low temperature. Then, just crack your eggs and put them in. Now, make sure that your eggs are at a medium-low heat and have a well-greased pan. Then, just crack them in. Put a bit of pepper on your eggs and then a lid. Alright, you'll want to flip your bacon every once in a while. Use some tongs to pull out the bacon. For a little treat, you can also make some pancake bacon. Just mix some bacon with some pancake batter. See how to make that in one of our other videos. When it turns brown, pull your pancake bacon off the stove. You can also add some fresh cut basil to your eggs. This isn't necessary, but I think it's pretty good. Now, that's how you make a delicious bacon and eggs breakfast. Thanks for watching. See you next time at CSD Baking.